Pandemics reach father's advice to son. Our spirituo-physical personality is made up of two entities, spirit and matter. Spirit represents Brahman, which is all pervading and infinite, and matter, which is constituted of the five elements, that is, space, air, fire, water, and earth, having different subtleties. In philosophy, subtlety is measured by pervasiveness. The earth is gross and the space is subtlest among all the five elements. It is the law of nature that the more subtle is not affected by the less subtle. For example, water is more subtle than earth. Water cannot be affected by earth. That is, a sword cannot cut water. Similarly, whatever happens to the realm of earth, water, fire, and air, it cannot affect space, as it is more subtle than all the above. Now, Brahman, which is all pervading, is subtlest of all, even space, and cannot be affected by matter, which has its appearance only in a small part of Brahman, which is infinite. Vedanta exhorts that we are Brahman and not the matter layers with which we are identifying. So we should identify with our pure self, that is Brahman, and come out of the reach of not only pandemic but all the sorrows for all times. Hari Om. To celebrate the 105th Chinmay Jayanti of Swami Chinmayananda, watch online discourses in his own voice from May 8, 2021 at 7:15 p.m. on Chinmay channel. To better understand Gita, read Kindle Life by Swamiji and also watch Ranjot Kalra's playlist on Kindle Life videos. Hari Om.